panibagong araw, panibagong...
Challenge number 4.
Yun, ito na.
Bonus round.
Yun, bonus. Ano may bonus?
Pagkakataon nyo mga Candy Girls na makabawi. Kagaya ng sinabi ko nung nakaraan, kung sino ang manalo rito ay madadagdagan ang kanyang puntos sa kanyang overall score. Wag na natin patagalin pa. Magsisimula ang challenge sa Hila. Si Hailey at si Ella kasama si Bella.
So ngayon guys, kasama ko na si Ella, syempre si Bella. Ito nga pala ang bonus round ng lip reading challenge. Syempre bago tayo magsimula, ready na ba kayong dalawa?
Ready na! Ready na ako bumawi.
Yun no, syempre babawi. Babawian ka pala ngayon, papayag ka ba?
As if manalo ka. Pagbigyan na kita, Ella, di na pwede ngayon.
Nung last vlog, si Ella ang unang ng hula. Ngayon naman, si Bella naman ang unang manghuhula. Ilagay ko na.
Go.
Ella, pwede mo na simulan magpahula.
Okay, first
word.
How did you know? Ano? Go, Bella! I want to know. How did you know? Pangalawa, second word. I want to know what love is. I want to know. I want to know what love is. I want to know what love is. Last na. Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig!
Bella!
Ako ngayon! Ako ngayon!
Nakuha ni Bella ang tamang sagot sa loob lamang ng 44 seconds. Tingnan nga natin kung kaya talaga. Bella, pwede mo na simulan. Game. First word.
First word. Pauwi na ako. Pauwi na ako.
Kaya? Sige. Ano ba?
You are my song. You are my song. You are my song. Say that you love me. Say that you love me. Say that you love me. Say what? Say that you love me. Say that you love me. Say that you love me.
Kuha ni Ella ang tamang sagot sa loob lamang ng 56 seconds. At syempre, dahil mas mabilis na kuha ni Bella ang tamang sagot sa loob ng 44 seconds, Bella, ikaw ang panalo!
Nakabawi ako!
Nakabawi ka na!
Iiyak na yan!
Ops! Tama na. At susunod naman ay isasalang ay hindi papakabog na Jency na si Angel kasi kasama si Chloe!
So yun guys, kasama ko na si Chloe pati si Angel. At ito ang bonus round na lip reading challenge. Unang karaan, ang una ng hula ay si Angel. Ngayon naman, ikaw Chloe. Ikaw na. Ano magsuot? Ready na ba kayo?
Ready na?
First word.
Catch me, I'm falling.
Umuwi ka na daw.
Catch me, I'm falling. Naririnig ata.
Narinig ba?
Baka. Game. Ito. I just called you to say I love you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say I love you. you feel my
Go,
love.
sige, go, Chloe!
Make you
Go!
my love. Make you feel my love. Love takes time.
Sige, sige, go!
Love,
Sige lang.
love takes time.
Angel. Ganda mo, Angel. Oh. Mamaya na. No. Okay na?
Okay na.
First word. Mabagal yan.
Stay with me. Stay with me. With me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Before it sinks in. It sinks in. It sinks in. Sinks in. Before it sinks in. You changed my life.
Go!
My life.
Go!
You changed my life.
Oh, wait lang. Si Angel nakakuha ng tamang sagot sa loob ng 50 seconds. Ang panalo sa round na to ay walang iba kundi si Angel! Susunod na sa salang ay walang iba kundi ang bigating Brianna na si Brionia na kasama si Krish.
So guys, isama ko na po si Krish at si Ana. Ito na pala ang bonus round ng lip reading challenge. Matatandaan nyo guys, last vlog si Ana po ang nanghula. Ngayon po, si Krish naman ang manghuhula. Bago tayo magsimula, ready na ba yung dalawa?
Ready na.
Oh, first word.
Go, go, go!
Two less lonely people in the world. Two less lonely people in the world.
Go, sige, tuloy!
Two less lonely people in the world. Two less lonely people in the world. Two less lonely people in the world.
Second word.
In love with you. In love with
Go, go, go! Sige, kaya!
In love with you. In love with you. In love with you.
Auntie na lang, auntie na lang.
Di na lang.
In love with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
Wala na tayo.
In love with you.
Last word.
Always find a way. Love always find a way. Love always find a way.
Wait lang. Si Krish po ay nakakuha sa loob ng 1 minute, 1 second. Okay. Ikaw naman.
Okay. Start.
First word.
First word. Wala na bang pag-ibig? Wala na bang pag-ibig? Wala na bang pag-ibig? Wala na bang pag-ibig?
Second word.
The day you said good night. Huh? The day you said good night. The day you said good night. The day you said good night. You said 2 lines? The day you said good night. To life?
No.
The day you said good night. The day you said good night. You lied.
No.
The day you said good night. The day you said good night. Good night.
Yeah.
The day you said good night.
Last word.
Pagdating ng panahon.
Wala na yan.
Pagdating ng panahon. Pagdating ng panahon.
Si Ana po ay nakakuha sa loob ng 1 minute, 12 seconds. Okay lang ang Ang susunod naman po yung isasala kayang pangmalakasang Milmi na si Miles Fish kasama si Kiara.
So ngayon ngayon guys, kasama ko na si Mitch and si Kiara.
Miles, pag ganyan ka, pipiliin ko na lang mag-walk out.
Ano? Bakit na bang ginawa ko sa'yo?
Kanina ko pa kayo nakikita ni Mitch. Tinatawag kita, hindi mo man lang ako pinapansin.
Sige na, tama na. Tama na yan. Mag-vlog muna tayo ngayon. So, ngayon guys, ito na ang bonus round ng lip reading challenge. So guys, kung maalala nyo, si Mitch ang unang nanguhula nung nakaraang vlog. Ngayon naman, si Kiara ang unang manghuhula. Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Yan na.
First word. Each passing night.
Oh,
Ah?
each passing night.
Ano?
Each passing night.
Each
passing night.
Each passenger? Nakasan mo kaya? Dem! Each passenger.
Pwede mag-pass.
Pass.
Thinking about you.
Ha?
Galingan mo, Tiara.
Think. Ano?
Thinking about
Think about you?
Thinking about
Thinking about you.
I like you better.
Anything? Ano? Anything about you?
I like you better. I like you better.
I like me better.
Okay.
Each passing night. Each passing night.
Each passenger.
Each passing night.
Ano?
Each passing night.
Lakasan mo kaya? Kasi marinig sa mukha nga mo.
Teka lang. Kalma lang. Hoy! Ayos na.
Makinig ka, babasahin mo kaya ang lip reading eh.
Ano?
Teka lang. Bella, last one. Ano? Kaya na. Last one.
Passing night.
Each pass test. Each pass test.
Each passing night.
Passenger? Ano?
Each passing night.
Passing na.
Each pass test.
Each passing night.
Each passing test.
Ayusin mo kasi.
Each passenger.
Passing night.
Passing night.
Each president. Ano ba?
It's president. Ang layo mo.
Passing night.
Ano?
Each passing night.
Pass?
Nine.
Night. Dispatches night. Dispatches night.
Wala na. Wait lang.
Ano ba yan? Ayaw kasi ayusin.
So yun lang, Kiara, sayang nakakuha ka ng 2 tamang sagot. Kaso nga lang, naabutan ka ng 2-minute time limit. So ngayon, si Mitch na manghuhula. Okay, game na. Uy,
Galit siya. Galit siya.
Game ka na? Okay na. Game mo. Okay. Kiara, game. Magpahula ka na.
First word. How could you say you love me?
Ano?
How could you say you love me?
Ano sa pa?
How could you say you love me?
How could you say you love me?
Basic,
Okay,
basic.
pangalawa. Love moves in mysterious way.
Isa pa.
Love moves in mysterious way.
Love boat.
Love moves in mysterious
Ano?
way.
Ano isa pa?
Love moves in mysterious
Pass,
way.
pass.
Oh, pass daw, pass.
Okay, next. I wanna love you forever.
Ano?
I wanna love you forever.
Forever?
I wanna love you forever.
Ah. I wanna love you forever.